Hey, welcome back. In this video, we're going to focus on dot plots. Let's go ahead and get started. So for the first example, the dot plot shows the number of students' last name letters in Miss Rumi's class. What fraction does the student's last name have 8 or more? So it says what fraction. So we already know that's going to be your part over your total, or what I say, part size over part total on your numerator and denominator. Now it says 8 or more, so that would be this section here. Now, oops, let me see if I can fix that one. Definitely we want to include. Now if it said more than 8, we wouldn't include it, but we're going to include all of it. So now what we're going to do is count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is your part, but I want it my total because it says fractions. So I already counted the 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Now, I know that for 9, it's 3 times 9 gives me 9, and 24, 8 times 3, 12 times 2, 6 times 4. Now, if you notice, the 3 is the same, so that means I'm going to divide both by 3 to simplify it, and I end up with 3 eighths. All right, so let's go to the next one. The number of TikTok videos Josiah watches every hour. What is the difference between 9 videos and 13 videos? So that's here, 9. So that is 4 minus 2. So the difference is 2. The range means the highest minus lowest, or the greatest minus least, whatever you want to say. So it's 13 minus 4, and that would equal 9. The mode is the one that shows up the most. You don't always have it, and there can be more than one. So if you notice, 10 and 13 both have 4, and so that would be the mode. So for the mode of this data is 10 and 13. All right, well, thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to hit like and subscribe.